Welcome to Engineering Simplified. Have you ever looked at a quadratic equation and wondered how you're supposed to solve it? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the quadratic formula with two fully worked examples, so by the end, you'll be able to solve quadratic equations with confidence. A quadratic equation is any equation that can be written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are constants and a cannot equal 0. So why do we use the quadratic formula? Some quadratic equations can be factorized, but many cannot. The quadratic formula is a method that works for every quadratic equation, making it one of the most important formulas in mathematics. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Let's solve our first example. We want to solve 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. First, identify the coefficients. A equals 2, b equals 5, c equals negative 3. Now substitute these values into the quadratic formula. Replace a, b, and c carefully. Next, simplify the expression inside the square root. 5 squared is 25. 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by negative 3 equals negative 24. 25 minus negative 24 equals 49. The square root of 49 is 7. Our formula now becomes negative 5 plus or minus 7 over 4. Now calculate both solutions. Using the positive sign, negative 5 plus 7 equals 2. 2 divided by 4 equals 1/2. Using the negative sign, negative 5 minus 7 equals negative 12. Negative 12 divided by 4 equals negative 3. So our final answers are x equals 1/2 and x equals negative 3. Let's try another example. This time we'll solve 3x squared minus 4x minus 7 equals 0. Again, identify the coefficients. A equals 3, b equals negative 4, c equals negative 7. Substitute these values into the quadratic formula. Now simplify the expression under the square root. Negative 4 squared equals 16. 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by negative 7 equals negative 84. 16 minus negative 84 equals 100. The square root of 100 is 10. The formula becomes 4 plus or minus 10 over 6. Now calculate both answers. Using the positive sign, 4 plus 10 equals 14. 14 divided by 6 simplifies to 7 over 3, which is approximately 2.33. Using the negative sign, 4 minus 10 equals negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 6 equals negative 1. So the solutions are x equals 7 over 3 and x equals negative 1. The final step is always to check your answers. Substitute each solution back into the original equation. If both substitutions simplify to 0, you've confirmed your answers are correct. Let's quickly recap. Write the equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Identify a, b, and c. Substitute them into the quadratic formula. Simplify the expression carefully. Calculate both solutions using the plus and minus signs. Finally, check your answers by substituting them back into the original equation. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with another maths topic you'd like me to explain. Thanks for watching Engineering Simplified, and I'll see you in the next video.